Which item is commonly used to strain liquids from solids? Options are A. Grater, B. Strainer, C. Tray, D. Ladle. The correct answer is strainer. What is typically used to flip food while cooking on a pan? Options are A. Whisk, B. Spatula, C. Tongs, D. Peeler. The correct answer is spatula. Which item is used to measure liquid ingredients accurately? Options are A. Measuring cup, B. Plate, C. Knife, D. Basket. The correct answer is measuring cup. What is used to grate cheese or vegetables into small pieces? Options are A. Blender, B. Grater, C. Spoon, D. Bowl. The correct answer is grater. Which appliance is used to toast bread? Options are A. Microwave, B. Blender, C. Toaster, D. Kettle. The correct answer is toaster. What is used to peel the skin of fruits or vegetables? Options are A. Cutter, B. Peeler, C. Fork, D. Tray. The correct answer is peeler. Which item is used to whisk eggs or mix ingredients smoothly? Options are A. Knife, B. Whisk, C. Plate, D. Cup. The correct answer is whisk. What is used to hold hot dishes safely? Options are A. Napkin, B. Oven mitt, C. Spoon, D. Lid. The correct answer is oven mitt. Which appliance is used to quickly heat or reheat food? Options are A. Refrigerator, B. Microwave, C. Sink, D. Cabinet. The correct answer is microwave. What is used to scoop and serve soup or stew? Options are A. Fork, B. Ladle, C. Knife, D. Peeler. The correct answer is ladle.